Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 370Z. With its richly crafted driver-obsessed cockpit and the world's first SynchroRev Match manual transmission, the lower, wider, lighter Nissan Z is in a class all its own and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.